Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's burger video update for Monday 25th of July. So there are so many trolls right here in the market, saying that, oh no, burger is moving up, the analysis is wrong. The thing is, people fall in the trap of a green candle all of a sudden, and they think that that's the start of a movement to the upside. What people don't really want to understand that, you see, when trading, let me ask you a question. When did a emotional trader ever became successful in the market and rip the market apart? They never became successful. You don't go for emotional trading, you go for logic trading. And I did bring a video yesterday saying that, yeah, you do have a bear flag, and that bear flag still has a technical target unless you don't really break it and hold it. The problem really is that was your bear flag here on the side, but the problem with this one is that you're still below, under the bear flag. You broke it, you try to broke it, 50% of the work was actually done. 50% of the work was done. You actually went up, pricked the flag. Amazing. The problem really was the retest. Retest. You don't go with emotions. You see green candle, you become emotional. That's not the name of the game. You're going to actually give up and you're going to fail in this space. You have to go logically. And logically, I told you, if you break it out and you hold the retest, are you holding the retest though? You're not holding the retest. You're failing the damn retest. That's the problem. Which actually still, the fact remains that you're coming down and you're going to come down to that price level again, down here to nearly $0.962, and that's the end of the story, unless again you still don't break it and hold it. You need confirmation candles mean that you stay on top of this, you consolidate a little bit and start to move higher slowly, not a pump and not a dump. That's not exactly what we need. And right now, if today you do come down to this level 1.523, you're putting a huge bearish engulfing candlestick to continue even lower. And that's it for today's update on burger. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.